Welcome to another exciting classic car quiz. Can you identify this historic car? Is it A, 1935 Ford Model 48 Deluxe 3, B, 1937 Pontiac 6CA Deluxe 6, C, 1934 Rolls-Royce 20/25 Limousine, D, 1935 DeSoto SG Airflow? And the right answer is A, 1935 Ford Model 48 Deluxe 3. The Ford Model 48 was part of Ford's successful lineup in the 1930s, known for its reliability and style. Can you identify this unique classic? Is it A, 1932 Bro Superior SS 100, B, 1934 Triumph Gloria Southern Cross, C, 1933 Morgan 3-Wheeler MX Supersports, D, 1931 Austin 7 Swallow? And the right answer is C, 1933 Morgan 3-Wheeler MX Supersports. The Morgan 3-Wheeler was known for its distinctive V-twin engine and lightweight design, making it a favorite among enthusiasts for its agility and speed. Can you guess this vintage car? Is it A, 1937 Pontiac 6CA Deluxe 6 Sedan, B, 1935 Ford Model 48 Deluxe 3, C, 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe, D, 1934 Rolls-Royce 2025 Limousine? And the right answer is C, 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe. The Plymouth P2 was known for its durability and affordability, making it a popular choice during the Great Depression. Do you recognize this classic sedan? Is it A, 1931 Delage D8S Martin & King Roadster, B, 1932 Hillman Wizard Deluxe Saloon, C, 1937 Pontiac 6CA Deluxe 6 Sedan, D, 1935 Duesenberg J.N. Rolston Cabriolet? And the right answer is C, 1937 Pontiac 6CA Deluxe 6 Sedan. The Pontiac 6CA was part of Pontiac's Silver Streak series, known for its distinctive chrome striping. Can you identify this classic American car? Is it A, 1936 Packard 120B, B, 1939 Buick Series 40 Special Convertible, C, 1935 Singer 9 Special Speed, D, 1931 Marmon V16 Town Car? And the right answer is B, 1939 Buick Series 40 Special Convertible. The Buick Series 40 was known for its stylish design and was one of the more affordable luxury cars of its time. Do you know this luxurious classic car? Is it A, 1936 Packard 120B, B, 1939 Buick Series 40 Special Convertible, C, 1931 Marmon V16 Town Car, D, 1935 Singer 9 Special Speed? And the right answer is C, 1931 Marmon V16 town car. The Marmon V16 was one of the first cars to feature a V16 engine, making it exceptionally powerful and luxurious for its time. Can you guess this elegant roadster? Is it A, 1935 Bentley 3.5-liter Park Ward drophead coupe, B, 1931 Delage D8 S Martin and King Roadster, C, 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe Sedan, D, 1934 Rolls-Royce 2025 Limousine? And the right answer is B, 1931 Delage D8 S Martin and King Roadster. The Delage D8S was known for its luxurious appointments and powerful 8-cylinder engine, making it a favorite among the elite. Do you recognize this elegant automobile? Is it A, 1935 Singer 9 Special Speed, B, 1931 Marmon V16 town car, C, 1936 Packard 120B, D, 1939 Buick Series 40 Special Convertible? And the right answer is C, 1936 Packard 120B. Plus 3 Packard 120B was part of Packard's Junior Series, offering luxury at a more accessible price point. Can you guess this vintage gem? Is it A, 1929 Chevrolet International, B, 1930 Ford Model A, C, 1931 Dodge Brothers Victory 6, D, 1928 Hudson Greater 8? And the right answer is B, 1930 Ford Model A. The Ford Model A was the successor to the Model T and was known for its improved 4-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission, making it more user-friendly and reliable. Can you identify this classic luxury vehicle? Is it A, 1935 DeSoto SG Airflow Sedan, B, 1934 Rolls-Royce 20/25 Limousine, C, 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe Sedan, D, 1935 Bentley 3.5-liter Park Ward drophead coupe? And the right answer is A, 1935 DeSoto SG Airflow Sedan. The DeSoto Airflow was one of the first mass-produced American cars to use aerodynamic design principles. Sleek coupe lines and classic flair? Can you name it? Is it A, 1932 Ford Model 18 Deluxe 5-window, B, 1932 Buick Series 50, C, 1932 Hudson 8, D, 1932 Studebaker Commander? And the right answer is A, 1932 Ford Model 18 Deluxe 5-window. This coupe became a customizer's dream thanks to its compact body, V8 engine, and iconic 5-window design. Can you identify this luxurious limousine? Is it A, 1934 Rolls-Royce 20/25 Limousine, B, 1935 Bentley 3.5-liter, C. 1936 Plymouth P2 Deluxe Sedan. D. 1935 Duesenberg JN Rolston Cabriolet. And the right answer is A. 1934 Rolls-Royce 20/25 limousine. The Rolls-Royce 20/25 was known for its quiet and smooth ride, often used by the wealthy and in official capacities. Luxury and power rolled into one. Can you name it? Is it A. 1931 Rolls-Royce 2025, B. 1931 Rolls-Royce Phantom 1, C. 1931 Rolls-Royce Phantom 2, D. 1931 Bentley 4.5 liter. And the right answer is C. 1931 Rolls-Royce Phantom 2. This model introduced a 4-speed synchromesh gearbox and an improved engine with dual ignition for smoother luxury motor. Can you guess this vintage British car? Is it A. 1931 Marmon V16 Town Car, B. 1935 Singer 9 Special Speed, C. 1939 Buick Series 40 Special Convertible, D. 1936 Packard 120B. And the right answer is B. 1935 Singer 9 Special Speed. The Singer 9 was known for its nimble handling and was a popular choice for rally racing in its time. Can you identify this classic beauty? Is it A. 1929 Isotta Fraschini Tipo, B. 1930 Lancia Delambda Series 1, C. 1931 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, D. 1928 Mercedes-Benz SSK. And the right answer is B. 1930 Lancia Delambda Series 1. The Lancia Delambda was known for its innovative independent front suspension, which provided a smoother ride compared to many of its contemporaries. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And if you love classic muscle cars, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next quiz. See you in the next challenge.